So the working form of an equation for an ellipse is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. Where's the center? HK. What is the horizontal distance from the center to the vertices? That's A. What's the vertical distance from the center to the vertices? B. Okay? So, how quickly can you do number 1? The center is 1, 2. A is 5. B is 3. So the equation is x minus 1 squared over 25 plus y minus 2 squared over 9 equals 1. Yes? What about 2? Negative 4, 1. A is 1. B is 4. So, x plus 4? What? Double negative? It's not allowed in English or algebra, right? Double negatives? Okay. Divided by, but it has to be squared. We can't just put 1 in there. Oh, it is, okay. Thank you, Jesse. 1 to the 17th is 1. Excellent. Y minus 1 squared over 16 equals 1. Good. And now, last one. If we know the center's at 0, 0, you can just put x squared and y squared, right? You don't have to put x squared minus 0, x minus 0 squared, do you? Okay. What's A? 6, and B is 2. So x squared over 36 plus y squared over 4 equals 1. Okay? Any questions so far about this? Okay. Look at number 4. Graph the ellipse given by the working form equation. Where's the center? 3, negative 2. 3, negative 2. What's A? 4. So I need to go which direction? Horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point is negative 1, negative 2. And this point is 7, negative 2. What's B? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this point is 3, 4. And this point is 3, 2, 8, negative 8. Sketch it. You're worse at ellipses and circles? I'm sorry. Okay, number 5. Let's start with ellipse E. Notice I give you an example right here. Okay? Yay for us. Okay, look at, where's ellipse E first of all? Here? So where's the center? It looks like Squidward. Okay. Negative 4, 5 is the center. What's A? 3. And what's B? What's the equation then? Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can't say bravo to him until it's equal 1. Otherwise, it's not an equation. Right? You see what I'm saying? Okay? So what about G? Where's the center of G? Is it right there? How do I know that's the center, guys? Am I just guessing? It looks like it. That's a good reason to know it's the center. Oh, if I count all the way across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Half of 14. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness. But how do I know it's the vertical center? Up 2 and down 2. Very good. Okay? We're not just guessing. We're not just saying, oh, this looks similar to the center. We're actually finding the center. Okay? So 2, -4. So A is 7 and B is 2. So the equation is x minus 2 squared over 49 plus y plus 4 squared over 4 equals 1. Perfect. F. F is where? Squidward's nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not the center. That's not the center. Oh my goodness. So 0.52. What's A? 1.5. 1, like a half and 1 more, so 1.5. What's B? 5. So what's the equation? X minus 0.5 squared over 2.25. Oh my gosh, we have decimals in a fraction? Yeah, we just have to get over it. Okay? Plus y minus 2 squared over 25. Good. Equals? Good. H. The tier? Squidward's tier? Okay. So -6, -1. What's A? What's B? 3. X plus 6 squared over 1 plus y plus 1 squared over 9 equals 1. Yes? Number 6. Don't woe me as if I was a horse. Where's the center? How do you know the center's at 3, 5? There's no things to count. So the middle point lines up with these, so I know I also have to have gone over 3. Is that what you're saying? And then this point tells me how far I went up. 5. Yes? Okay, so what's A? How do you know it's 8? So we're figuring out how far it went from 3 to 11, right? 8. What about B? 5? Same kind of way? What's the equation? X minus 3 squared over 64 plus... Oh, it's not 5? You were so confident. I give you a 1 for confidence. Excellent. Okay, so it's 6. One of the judges gave us a 1 yesterday because we played with confidence. He could have given us a 2. But he gave us a 1. It was like on the border. It was pretty cool. 1's the best. Okay, so have we messed up yet on our equation, or are we still good? Okay, so y minus 5 squared over 36 equals 1. I'm glad you're working with confidence, but make sure you're right. How about that? Is that good? Okay, what about this one? Ooh. We had to go this way the same as we went this way, so that's got to be negative 12. And we had to go up as high as this one went up, which is 6. What's A? A is this way, right? From negative 7 to negative 12, how far is that? 5. Is it 5 or is it negative 5? Because in this case, what are we talking about? A distance, okay? So in this case, we're really talking about 5. I understand that from the center, we would go positive 5 to get here and negative 5 to get here. Does that help answer your question from earlier? Okay, it really depends on what situation we're talking about. Are we talking about plotting a positive direction and a negative direction? Then it's 5 and negative 5. If we're talking about a distance like we are here, it's 5. Fair enough? Okay, what's B? 10. Excellent. So x plus 12 squared over 25. Good. Plus y minus 6 squared over 100 equals 1. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to skip over number 7 for now so we can look at this mess on the back. There are other important terms and formulas involved with graphing an ellipse. There's all of this. This is what's different here, the focus. Okay, we've already figured out that all the way across is 2a. We've already figured out that all the way across this way is 2b, isn't it? Haven't we? Okay, it's the focus. The way an ellipse is made is the distance from any point on the circle. If you take that distance and add it up, it will be the same for every single point on the ellipse. Whatever point you choose, if you add that distance and that distance, the distance from that point to each of the foci. We don't say focuses. I don't know why. It's not my choice. They're foci. Okay? We could say foci, but that's really too close to another word. So we're going to say foci. Okay? But if I take this point, add that, it's going to be the same all the way around. Does that make sense? Okay, so this is the formula to find a focus. This is the formula. Do you notice no matter if we're talking about a horizontal ellipse or a vertical ellipse, it's the same formula? Yes? Okay. What would happen if I squared both sides? C squared equals a squared plus b squared, right? Keep that in mind. I want you to attempt these 4 problems on the back as well as number 7. I will be here after school if you need help. You do have a flipped video tonight. You do have one, okay? Have a grade.